Go to your web browser and type in www.teamviewer.com and hit enter. Scroll down to the download button, click on this. On the TeamViewer website, decide if you want the download for Windows-based or Mac-based computer. Then click Download TeamViewer. If the notice comes up at the bottom of the screen, click I accept. A new notice at the bottom of the screen will pop up and click Save. Then click Run. On this box, click Basic Installation and Personal Non-Commercial Use. Then click Accept-Finish. When this box comes up, click Yes. Now you will have the remote control box. We will provide you a partner ID number to enter here. Then click on Connect to Partner. Then a box will pop up for the password. Enter the password that we provide and hit Login. You then will be directed to our server.